my counselor, he has given me the floor to say few words here. So, respected chair of this program, or respected course leader, scouter, advocate Pramod Sarkar, respected trainers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I have stood before you in this absolutely amazing concluding ceremony, which brings together to celebrate this 155 Scout Unit Leader Skill Course with a heart of full of gratitude and emotion. First of all, I'd like to show my gratitude to Lord Baden-Powell, who is the founder of Scouting. Scouting is an voluntary, non-political, educational movement open to all, irrespective of gender, origin, creed, or race. How quickly the time has passed, yet we have passed 4 days. It seems to me that we joined here yesterday. We came here as an individual, but we are leaving this place as a family. This journey has given us huge motivation. This is not only given the skill, but also to show the way how to manage everything. We are deeply grateful to our respected course leader and trainers for your guidance, for your dedication, for your patience, for your constant inspiration to make things possible. The friendship we have created here, the lesson we have shared here, and the memories we have created here will be longer lasting. Through this training, we have learned a lot of things, and our responsibility has increased manifold. Going back to our respective units, we have to work a lot so that we can improve our or develop scouting. On behalf of all of my colleagues, all of my fellow trainees, I'd like to thank all of my respected trainers. And with these few words, I'd like to conclude my speech. Thank you very much for patience hearing.